there! On this episode of Learning Explorer, we're going to learn how to write a letter. I use animal letters to help me write my letters correctly. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. That's right, where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want to write them really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter K. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase k is? That's right, it's a giraffe letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus in on how to write lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we write each letter, we write it 2 times. The first time, we use the dotted lines. The second time, we do it without the dotted lines. Today, we're doing the letter K, and letter K can be quite difficult. But don't give up. You just keep trying until you get it. Are you ready to go? Let's get started. When I do the letter K, I'm going to show you how it can be easy. I start at the top. You have your pencil at the top? And guess what I do? I go straight down. Seems like we do this on a lot of letters. We go down to the bottom, and when we get to the bottom, we stop right there, stop. And then I come over here, and then I go sideways down and touch the line in the middle, and then I go back down to the bottom. And there's my uppercase K. Now, the lowercase k pretty much looks the same as the uppercase K. Here we go. I start at the top. Did you put your pencil at the top? Okay, here we go. We're going to go down all the way to the bottom. This time we're going to go to the middle line. And we do the same thing. We go touch the middle of the K down there below. And then we go back down. And there is our lowercase k. All right, now it's time to practice without the dotted lines. So what do I have to do? Well, first I have to erase the K's that we just did. Here we go. Make it nice and clean, at least clean enough to do the letters. Okay, now we're gonna practice the letter K without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Here we go. Put your pencil at the top. And then we go straight down to the bottom, and then we stop. We stopped. Now I come back to the top, and remember I'm gonna make a line kind of sideways. We call it diagonal. Diagonal to the middle. Are you ready? Do it with me. Here we go. I go nice and slow so I can do it nice. And then when I get here, I go back down. Diagonal again, and I touch the bottom. And there's my uppercase K. Okay, you ready to do the lowercase k? Put your pencil at the top. That's where we start, right? We don't start at the bottom. Don't start in the middle. We're starting at the top. Here we go. We go straight down. Do it with me. All the way to the bottom, and when we get there, we stop. Stop. And then this time I'm going to come to the middle line, and then I'm going to go diagonally again. Right there, and then back down. And there is my lowercase k. How did you do? I bet you did well. I'm excited. Practice the letter K because it takes some practice sometimes to make these letters really nice. Well, I'm glad that you join me as we practice writing the letter K. I hope you come back next time so we can write another letter together. We'll see you later. Bye.